Hey, what's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Sorry, it's been a couple days since an upload. It's year end at Toyota, so I've been super busy selling cars. This is actually my job. These videos are kind of just for educational purposes. Anyways, two 2020 TRD Offroad Package RAV4s here. On the left, TRD Offroad with the weather package. On the right is pretty much as fully loaded as they come. It has technology package, audio package, and the weather package. So we'll start off with the less equipped here on the left. This one is a TRD off-road package, so you definitely get some unique styling on it. We've got the larger over fenders as compared to your LE model here with the smaller ones, or I guess that's an XLE. 18-inch black alloy wheels with TRD logo. Also, you're gonna get the Falcon Wild Peak tires, which are a nice, semi-aggressive all-season tire. Different front end on the TRD packages, more aggressive look, more ground clearance. Also, you're gonna get these blacked out LED fog lights. Unique grille as well on the TRD Offroad. You're also gonna get black mirror caps, a unique roof rack. This one also has the crossbars. Also standard on TRD off-road packages is your sunroof and advanced keyless entry. We also have a power lift gate. Inside we have the TRD branded floor mats and rear cargo tray on this one. The weather package is going to give you heated and cooled front seats as well as a heated steering wheel. This vehicle is also equipped with a power driver's seat. Of course, all your power options. There's your heated steering wheel, windshield wiper, de-icer grid, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as automatic dual zone climate control. Moving over to this one with the audio and tech packages. Exterior wise, we got all the same options. Inside we got extra button here, surround view camera. Let's take a look at these additional features. Down here we have a QI wireless charging pad for your wireless charging capable devices. Of course, this one has the weather package as well, so we do have the heated and cooled front seats, the automatic dual zone climate control, but this one has the audio upgrade package. Gives you an 11 speaker JBL stereo system, so really nice audio, plus the built-in navigation, so you don't have to run it through your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. It's built into the car. Also, we have the optical rear view mirror with home link, intelligent parking sonar with brake assist. Also, both these are going to have your blind spot monitoring system. The surround view camera is pretty neat. So, this is your most fully loaded 2020 TRD off-road package RAV4 we have available. Currently, this weather package is the least equipped TRD off-road I have available. Technically, you could get this without the weather package. That is a $1,000 option. This one has an MSRP of $37,630. Over here with the fully loaded option, we've got an MSRP of $41,329. Here's a third option for you if you're shopping for a TRD off-road. This here is an LE all-wheel drive. So it's the basic RAV4. We have outfitted it with some aftermarket wheels and tires that are a little larger than stock, as well as a 2-inch lift kit from Ready Lift. This one, including the accessories, we've got a price on it, $33,876. That's including these tinted front windows, the wheels and tires, the lift, the labor that's involved in that, as well as the alignment. So you got options for a capable RAV4 here at Gresham Toyota. Again, I'm Patrick at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. You can reach me anytime with that number below. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit a thumbs up. Have a great day.